Hi everyone, in this video we see how we can download the PhET software. So it is the interactive simulation software which is used for the physics, mathematics, chemistry, earth and space and biology, and for electrical simulations, which help the student to learn with interactions and also with visualization. So for this one, first of all, I tell you how you can see the all simulations. It is the web based also, and then we move toward the downloading. So when you click on all sim, then you open that tool website, and that website have the lot of filters. You can choose it. I choose the earth and space, and now if you click on any kind of tool like my solar system, this simulation explaining the my solar system to the students. So here you also see the teaching resources if you are teacher, and then you see the resources, but for this one you need to be create account. But in the further we move, we see how we can create it. So now here you simply run it and you see how you like the solar system is working, and it's very accurately the student can interact also, and teacher also explain it very well. Now this is the gravity force lab simulation, which is also created in that tool, and it's very also interactive, which explain the student how the both forces, like two different masses, apply the force to each other and how much. So with the interaction you can see it. Now here we see how we can download that software offline access. So that's the link. You can simply type that link after on your URL as a URL, but I put that URL in the description also, so you can directly access it. So here is the option for Windows and Mac. I choose a window here, and if you don't have account, don't worry, we created first of all. Now here you see there is the last line, register for educator account. So you need to be click on it. Student don't need to be register the account, but the educator can create account. So click on it, and here we need to be fill our details. It's very easy, I tell you. So first of all, you tick mark on any kind of thing. I tick mark on a researcher here, and then you can scroll down and you need to tick mark on I am verified that I am 13 year of age or later older, or you can agree the privacy policy. Then that contact info is open, so you need to put your primary email here. I put the primary email and then put the re-enter primary email also. Secondary email is optional, I don't put it. Then I choose the password, then I just be write my first name and then last name. Okay, after that you choose your country here, then choose your provenance, and then choose your city. So I untick it. I don't want PhET to send me an email. So after that, just click on next here. This is the last additional info which we need to be filled, and after that our software is downloading. So we need to be put the organization name here, and then first of all I choose the grade, it's university. Then I choose the subject. You can choose anything, it's not compulsory the accurate 100%. Then new user, and now I forget to be add my organization here, and also I need to be select from which year I am teaching. So I just be choose 2022, and here I need to be put the organization. But keep in your mind, if your organization is not registered, then don't worry, you need to be just add it and then it's like registered. Okay, so I just be put any name, and then I click on the register now button, and he say me okay, your organization is not registered. So I click on cannot find your organization button, and then I put my organization here. Okay, now I write down my website or like my channel name here, and then I choose my city, and then I choose my country, and then I put my school like state, and after that school website. So in your case you can put your school details here, your university detail here. Okay, any kind of school, if they have website, then you can put the detail. They automatically add it, and then simply click on register account. So it's take the time, it's not redirect you anywhere. So just go on your email and you receive the email for verifying your account. I wait 10 minutes, but it's not redirect me anything. Then I go on my email and I click on the link for verifying it, and then my account is activated, and simply I click on sign in here. So I'm registered. After that, again you need to be go into the URL for the offline access web page, and after that simply click on the window app button, and this time without any registration our installation starts. So click on maybe later, and then the Chrome says it's not verified, but you say download it. So it's take roughly 10 minutes, because that's not a parallel downloading. Now our software is in download, and now we right click on it and click on run as administrator to for installation, and then they ask for the yes, do a prompt, and then wait here. Our installation is start. Now our installation is start. It's directly installing that software, so don't worry, just wait here. After the 1 to 2 minutes your installation is complete. Our installation is complete, and then the software is run automatically, and he say me Java is not installed locally, so we need a Java also. So I tell you how we can download the Java, the latest version of it. And there is the, you see, HTML5 based simulations are there, and there are the lot of Java relevant simulations. But in the case of Java relevant simulations, it's not working until you install the Java runtime environment, the latest version of it in your PC. So I tell you how you can download the Java. Open the browser and search with the Java latest version download. Click on the first link, download Java web page, and scroll down. There is the option for Windows, for Mac, and for different operating system. I choose the Windows offline file and click on it. Again I need to be say download unverified file, and now our downloading is start. After that I just simply run it to activate the installation. Now click on install button here and wait until your Java latest version is installed. It's installed successfully. Close it. Okay, here you can close that software and again run it, and then you see the Java and related simulation is also activated. I write down PhET. See, this is the PhET simulation. I click on it and now go into the Java, and now you see Java simulation is also working. If you want to be relaunch it, then click on file and click on relaunch, so that software is closed and again open. Now here you see there's the HTML5 Java, so I just be run the Java simulation here. This is the balloons related simulation, so I just be click on it and make it bigger, and now this is the complete simulation, which is very interactive. So you teach the students that topic very easily with the realistical simulation. I just press it, and now the gas elements are in the chamber, and we also increase the heat control. So in the chamber the temperature is rising, pressure is rising. So now okay, so that's explaining the different phenomena. So the teacher can explain it very well by interactive simulation, so students also very find it helpful. So I see you in the next time with the new video. So please subscribe this SCHEMATIC channel, like this video, and also tell me in the comment section which next video you want, and I try to make the video on that topic. So I see you the next time. Bye bye.